it fun? What? Oof. Yeah? You don't have a break? No? Oh, that is silly water. Oh my goodness. You're funny. You're funny. I thought you would like a bath. Anytime you want a break, honey, just walk up my arm. There you go. Is that fun? Ooh. You're such a cutie. Ah! I'm careful. What you doing? Are you gonna dunk your whole self in there? What are you doing? Whoa! Oh, ooh, careful, honey. What you doing? Oh, you're such a sweetheart. Yes, is that your first bath? Oh my goodness, do you love it? Do you love a bath? We're just finding out, aren't we? Oh, you feisty guy. You're so feisty. Ah, careful! Oh, goodness. Oh, that feels so good. Your feathers are gonna feel so nice. Oh my goodness. That is so nice. Oh, I'd love to get you scratches, but I got you in one hand and the camera in the other hand, and I am just not gonna stop recording this. There's no way. You are too cute. I'm getting water all over my glasses. Are you all done? Oof, that feels good. Oh. Ow! No bite. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. That hurt. Are you getting feisty? Are you feisty? Yeah. No bite. You all done with your bath? You want to find a towel to rub on? Yeah. You want to find a towel to rub on, you sweet thing? You dry yourself off on my arm. That's fine too. Okay, sweetie. Bath time is over. That was fun. Come on, let's get you a towel.